You're my friend now. We're having soft tacos later.
I need you to move. 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 God.
This is what happens when you leave a cheeseburger and cheese fries unattended for 5 seconds.
So this is why boxers is my favorite breed. They always have a slip on their face like they owe you money and they're really worried about it and they're worried you're gonna...
Do you want to sleep in that one? Then he's definitely a good listener with that body language employed effectively.
Can you fix your face? Ew! Come here. Come here.